over the past couple of months, when you see the American ambassador and them a come at Jamaica and all of these people, I want all heap of different things them a come down there for now. Did we know that Andrew Holness and the American government is in talk to do this? Make us see if we find here. Make us see if we find here. Listen, you see what I go on here, sir? Did we know that Bro God and the Jamaican government, Andrew Holness, is agreeing, is in talks right now with Donald Trump to take 10,000 deportee who is not Jamaican into Jamaica? How where the blood clot really are going here though? Embassy in Kingston seen by the Gleaner outline is operation framework for a proposed third country national agreement which has triggered controversy in several countries that have entered into similar arrangement with Washington. Oh no, so bro, God, do. We do not got enough space down there for our own Jamaican. Kingston and Washington are expecting to begin talks for taking 10,000 overseas illegal deportee. So people who no come from Jamaica, but at Jamaica, they might carry 10,000 deportee. They want 10,000 deportee to come at Jamaica now. Mr. Prime Minister, I wonder how much money Donald Trump will give you to do this one now. Because we hear say the limits we come here that they are 400 million run. And now you say that's not good enough. Jamaica, we are struggling with everything. You are going to take in 10,000 deportee. People who commit, we don't know what kind of crime they commit. Them not come from our country. You understand me? A dumping, me don't tell, me tell enough of the people. Say Jamaica become a dumping ground. And you don't believe me. Jamaica is a dump now for these first world country. Then dump all produce pan where they don't want. Then dump all vehicle. Then dump all oil, all food. You understand me? All seed. See it now. Jamaica, the Jamaican government and the American government, him can't come with a crime plan, can't control our crime, but I bring in other 10,000 people them a talk about, say, I go come at Jamaica. I know me I say it, this is where I come out of Jamaican Gleaner. This is I come straight out of Gleaner. And this is since me dey on live here, me see it pop up on my thing. So Andrew Holness are in talks now within cabinet and the American ambassador, the American embassy, everything that is not good, dump down here. See it now. 10,000 people, Andrew Holness, intentionally. You see it? Them attack say, here we go on. You know, if you see some of the reason why the warship come a yard what they do. And them talk about, oh, it was just a peacekeeping mission. And it was just to show this and show that. You see, we really are going to our country, Jamaica. Just imagine now, we down there, as we the Jamaica's Jamaican national, who not safe already. You understand me? And the Prime Minister and him government official them and negotiate a deal to carry 10,000 deportee. Who to tell maybe some come blood clot. Who fi tell at the end of the day? Who fi tell some of them not come off a ship or they will come down there? Because that's Donald Trump. So you no realize what go on, people. Andrew Holness, the government of Jamaica, Andrew Holness and the rest of minister them. Mark Golden, I want to ask you a question. Are you in this negotiation with Donald Trump to carry 10,000 illegal people come to Jamaica or what? We just want to ask a question and Mark Golden. Because you cannot be quiet from what they know. Because as the opposition, we have to come out and do phone work for no. It's the money that it's going to collect. Marky G, I wonder if you know nothing about this here. And you got over here to blame Andrew Holness alone. I wonder if your opposition spokesman for foreign affairs know nothing about this. At 10,000 people, 10,000 deportee, who is non-Jamaican, being deported. You understand me? So up to 10,000 non-Jamaican to be deported to Jamaica. You understand me? To see how the bomb buckler really are going to Jamaica. Remember, say we can't look after the people we got down there. We can't find house for the people in Parati. We can't find house for the people in Westmoreland. You hear me? We can't find house for the people who want house down there. That's more than a commute. That's more than probably how much people they are St. Elizabeth. That's more than some parish. So Andrew homeless behind closed door is in what you call far talk for accepting 10,000 non-deportee, 10,000 non-Jamaican deportee in a Jamaica from the American government. Remember at the end of the day, how really are going to do, brother, at the end of the day? Andrew homeless, what you do with Jamaica? When do we become a dumping ground? The people them are 80 we want help. When they come there, we no bag them up on ship and deport them back to Haiti. And you know the people them run from crime and violence. And we send them go back to Haiti. See? Because Haiti no got no money for go now. And Haiti can't pay no 100 million US. But we no willing to accept. I wonder for the land. I wonder if the land you want a parity now, Andrew. If you go do something, you know what you call it? I wonder if the land you want a parity if you go build. If you go build housing where the US government give you money for and put the people them now. I wonder if that's why you have to have the people them for the land of parity and you want to put them Deportee up on the seafront down there. And I wonder if that's why you start build back the country as yet. Because we want to know where you going to put the 10,000 people. So after a hurricane come and gone, and more than 10,000 Jamaicans being displaced in the hurricane, he doesn't want to go to prison. They are a compromised government. Where you say no one go to prison? See the people. Breaking news. The Jamaican government and the American embassy / government are in an advanced stage. This is break by the Jamaica Gleaner, are in an advanced stage of talk and negotiation for 10,000 non-Jamaican national to be deported to Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are these deported going? One, just imagine then deport also man from El Salvador out of them gang there with them people in no life. You understand me? You deport people from all over the world and at Jamaica. Jamaica decides Andrew oldest now decides to go on. It's a good idea to carry them come to Jamaica. Because the government will get any amount of money off of it. So we just carry these people come and turn them out in the island and just leave them amongst the population. And the government says it's fine, it's okay. How where the bomb clot really are going? Jamaica no see what go on. This is just the start and many it will be worse. No, nobody no want to talk about them or something. Soon and very soon, them say a lie we are tell. Remember Rwanda. A country name. Take any amount of money from England to build a place down there or something. And the Rwanda people them come out and start demonstrate.